Hello children, now we play balloons activity. Batul beta, come here, pick up the red balloon. Very good, clapping. Shiraz beta, come here, pick up the pink balloon. Very good, clapping. Ruha beta, come here, pick up the green balloon. Clapping. Asad beta, come here. Asad beta, come here. Pick up the yellow balloon. Clapping. Falak beta, come here. Pick up the blue balloon. Very good.